So I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where your iPhone is not vibrating at all. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these instructions or more or less the same instructions for other iPhones, especially the ones running at least iOS 16. So if you go and try to set up vibration for either the ringtone or whatever other thing you want vibrations for, and your phone doesn't seem to be vibrating, then you can enable vibration somewhere else. Go to settings. On the main settings page, go to accessibility, tap on that. Under accessibility, tap on touch, and then under touch, look for vibration, and you might have this setting turned off. So go ahead and turn that on, because this setting is what controls all the vibrations on your iPhone. So turn that on, and then now you can go back and try to set up your vibration either for incoming calls or whatever it is you're trying to set it for. And that's basically how to fix that little problem where your iPhone doesn't seem to be vibrating no matter what you do in the sound and haptics settings. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.